Hey guys, I'm back. Man, am I mad. I can't believe this. And you guys already know by the title matter, B is for Bill Chris. This guy is getting so screwed on his car, it's pathetic. And I can't believe that he's building a car, a Mustang, which is a newer platform with some older parts. And this is a car he's keeping for himself. Not like he's selling it, making a business out of it like that. No. I don't even know where to begin. I'm actually that mad and I'm trying to hold my composure without dropping an F-bomb or anything else like that because I'm not monetized, and even if I was, they'd probably drop me anyway because of it. But the thing is that here he is, he's building a car, a Mustang. Yeah, it's the Gone in 60 Seconds car, whatever, modeling it after a movie car. He's not calling the car Eleanor, okay? And the body kit is for an Eleanor build. So with him doing that, the company, whatever that own, the movie cars or whatever that's doing this Gone in 60 Seconds, they'll hold the rights to it. They basically got mad because he's building this car and they're not. And when I watched Chris's video, he basically had to surrender the car. If I'm correct, maybe it was only like a week or whatever since he put one out with the car, and then, he's telling everybody that they basically, he had to give the car up. Why? I don't understand how they were able to just forcefully take it. Their lawyer must have scared the hell out of him so bad that he was like, here, take the car. I'm sorry, in my eyes, his lawyer is weak. Because if I would have been in his position, I would have been like, you know what? Take me to court, sue me for it. I'm going to make you earn your paycheck by spending money. If I got to lose thousands of dollars on my build and you guys are so-called don't like that, tough luck, Cupcake. You want my car? Come get it. And I'll probably put it on my driveway and set it on fire and say, come get it, it's yours now. If I can't have it, neither can you. I'm sorry, it's wrong that this guy worked so hard, him and his friends, to build this car for himself. Not for a business, not to resell it saying that, hey, it's an Eleanor Gone in 60 Seconds car. He wanted to build this car for himself. Leave the man alone. So all these other guys that are building these, these 67 Mustangs that are buying Eleanor kits off of the internet, you know what? In my eyes, go after the guy who sold him the body kit first. Start hammering him. And then you're going to come after Chris because why? He called it Eleanor? So what, if somebody calls their vehicle Eleanor, you're going to try and sue them too? Really? What if somebody has a pickup truck and they call it Eleanor? You're going to come after him? It's asinine. It's stupid. And yeah, I am that mad. I don't even know Chris personally. I don't. He's a fellow YouTuber like myself. But you know what? I'm looking at his comments. He has over 8,000 comments. And you know what? The majority of them seem to be pretty mad. I mean, I got a friend of mine that's a lawyer, and I even talked to him. How were they able to take the car? And he even told me they probably did a scare tactic on him. We're going to sue you. We're going to do this. We're going to do that. Chris not knowing any better, whatever his lawyer that he consulted, I'm sorry, you need a new one, Chris. Okay? I would love to fight for you to have you get your car back and have everybody else out there in the YouTube world come together and help him get his car back. I think it's stupid as hell because you guys got jealous of a car that he was building, which is not going up for sale, and you took it from him. What gives you the legal right nor the balls to take it? If that would have been my car, I would have lost my mind. I'm sorry, but yeah, I'm getting upset with it. But you know what? I had every right to be because I follow Chris. I've been following Chris ever since the GTR build. And I love what he does, and I love everything he stands for. And Oscar and the other guy, I don't know his name, they work really hard now. And Chris doesn't seem like he's too bothered with it right now, but I'm sure deep down inside he is, and off camera, I'm sure he's pretty heated. And so is everybody else that follows him. He's got 1.3 million subscribers. There's got to be a bunch of subscribers that are lawyers that can help him for free. If I was a lawyer, I'd be contacting him and telling him, you know what? Ditch your lawyer because he didn't do you any favors. After a week of whatever the hell went on, they threatened him so much they took his car. What gives you the physical right to take somebody's vehicle? I just don't get it. It just pisses me off to no end. I'm sorry, but if I was building a Mustang and I called it an Eleanor, and you're going to come after me and threaten me or whatever, you know what? If you're going to physically come get my car, one, you'd never step foot on my property. Number two, if it comes down to you have to take my car, not guaranteeing the condition it's going to be in, you're going to get a giant lump of metal. I'm sorry, I will burn that thing to the damn ground and then tell you, you know what? Come get it. I mean, oh, it just irritates me. But everybody out there, I mean, who does follow my channel and who does follow this video, you know, please subscribe, you know, like my channel, hit that bell for notification. But subscribing, I want all of us to come together. Even, you know, the littler guys or the bigger guys who have millions of subscribers, we all need to come together and help each other. You know, everything's getting out of hand in this world. Everybody is so damn sue happy, it's disgusting. You do one little thing. What, do you call the car an Eleanor? Oh, I'm modeling it after that? You're going to sue him and take it? There is something really wrong with you as an individual or a company that you're going to forcefully take somebody's car because you don't like what they're building. What is it taking away from you as a company? Explain that to me and put it in my comments, because I'm sure somewhere down the line you're probably going to find this video. Explain it to me in a comment how he was doing so wrong and it was hurting your business. Why? Because he didn't buy any parts from you? So what? Suck it up. You know what? Everybody else buy parts from everybody else all over the world. I don't know how the hell it hurt you with a company for him to build that car. Oh, we have a copyright for that name. You know what? What if my wife's name's Eleanor? You gonna take her too? Really? You guys need to, you know, get off your damn high horse and give the man his car back. It's wrong, it's immoral, and legally I don't think he had any right to take it. So everybody out there, please help me, help Chris, help him get his car back. Because it's wrong that they took it. And they never should have. You know, the man worked hard and spent thousands of dollars of his own money, you know, for what? For entertainment for us. All of us. And not just the YouTube community, for all of us who are, you know, own channels, but for everybody, for entertainment for the whole world. You know, leave the man alone. He built something nice, and you jumped on him. Why? Because he said, oh, I'm modeling it after a movie car? Cut it out. You're an idiot. And if you don't like what I'm saying, then shut off my channel. But if you do like what I have to say, leave a comment down below. You know, please subscribe to my channel because I'm trying to build myself up to help people like that are getting bullied. And that is, I'm sorry, I hate to say it, but you know what? Because he built a car for himself and he modeled it after a movie car and then you're going to take it, that makes you a bully in my eye. And nothing irritates me more than a bully. Because bullies don't care about nobody. They don't care about nobody but themselves and what they can bully you and get out of you. That makes you weak and soft in my eyes. I've come across more bullies in my life that have never been able to bully me. Why? Because I'm too strong-willed. So you know what? Everybody, please come together. You know, it's just as the YouTube community and as the YouTube family. You know, I don't know what I can do to help Chris get his car back, but if there's any kind of leeway that, you know, I can help him, I'll do it. He doesn't know me personally. I don't know him. You know, he probably doesn't even know my channel exists. Maybe he will after this. Maybe he'll reach out. Maybe he won't. You know, and you know, I just want to help the man because I feel he's been bullied. He's done wrong, and they took something from him without taking him to court. And they scared the hell out of him to bully him, to take his car. Why? Because he didn't spend $100,000 to get it from your company? Tough. Get over it. I'm sorry if I'm getting, you know, a little loud here and getting irritated, but I don't like bullying. I just don't, and that's what it is. That's exactly what I read out of it. They made him pull all of his videos. So what? You know what? If I see any of it, you know, their videos for this company that does these Gone in 60 Seconds cars, I'll give you a thumbs down. You shouldn't even be allowed on YouTube then. You're going to bully somebody and take their car. It makes you a moron, it makes you soft, and it makes you weak. So, I'm going to end this video here. I know not too many people might find it, but if they do, thank you. So help me help Chris get his car back. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell for notifications. Put a like on it, big thumbs up, and leave your comment down below because the comments are important to me and just everybody else. Till then, stay safe. Don't let nobody bully you. Build your dreams, build them for you, and don't let anybody take anything from you. Till then, take care, and I'll see you guys on the next one.